Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a headset from Razer. This is the Kraken X Lite. It's a super light 230 grams headset. It's wired, it uses a 3.5mm jack. It works with PC, Mac, PlayStation, Switch, Xbox and smartphone, so basically with everything that you can plug a 3.5mm jack in. It has 7.1 surround sound, bendable cardioid microphone and memory foam cushions. So basically once you're done using the headset, the cushions will return to their original shape because of that memory foam. This is the box for it. It looks really great. On the side right here we have some specs which I already said, except the custom tuned 14mm drivers. On the back we have a clearer picture of the headset with again the same specs, 230 grams it says right here, and on the other side we have the Razer logo. So yeah, basically that's it with the box. Let's go ahead now and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that I'm gonna show you guys how it looks next to your setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have an instruction manual right here with pictures. It will tell you what each part of the headset can do. Hold on, I'm trying to see if I can open it with one hand. So give this a read, it will help you set it up properly and get the most use out of it. They included also some stickers, which is pretty nice, some Razer stickers, 3 snakes. And we have a card right here that says unlock your headset full potential now. Scan this QR code and you get the Razer 7.1 surround app, because as I said and it's stated, this headset can do 7.1 surround sound. We have a 3.5mm jack cable extender, and this is the headset. The cable, it's all wrapped up, but it's got a hefty length to it. Razer branding on both ear cups. We got the same memory foam cushion right here on the top, so it doesn't hurt your head when you're against it, when you wear it for too much. And ear cushions are super soft as well. I absolutely love it. Of course it extends. I don't know if you guys can see, but the extension has some numbers, so you can extend it from 1 to 8 basically, and because of the lines and the numbers you can always match it on both sides. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. And for now, let's go ahead and set it up to our PC. Maybe I will get the camera close enough to the headset so you guys can basically hear using the camera's external microphone that I have on how this headset sounds like. But again, the reason I bought it is just because it's super lightweight. I mean, you can hold it with 2 fingers and it feels like nothing. I absolutely love it. I'm wearing headsets most of the time, and having a comfortable lightweight one, it's super important. So yeah, let's go ahead and set everything up. Alright, so now the headset, it's all plugged in. It's really simple to use. It's literally plug and play. All you have to do is plug in this cable to your PC, either in the back of your motherboard or in the front if you have a HD audio connector like I did. So I just plugged it in the headphone port, and basically it works. As you can see, it also supports some extra features. For example, spatial sound. So if we enable this, we have Windows Sonic for headphones, so basically that's 3D audio. It goes up to 2 channels, 192,000 Hertz studio quality, which is absolutely amazing. Obviously you can change that depending on your preferences, but I always want the best sound quality I can get, so it's really handy that you can also choose it. So yeah, it just works. You basically found it at headphones, Realtek audio default device. So basically that will be it. And the microphone, same thing. You can you can get the microphone and you can just pair it or add a device right here and it should be ready to go. But I like to use my dedicated microphone, which is this. But if you don't have one, you can use the built-in microphone of the headset. It will work as fine. Actually, from what I know, it's a really good microphone. This headset sounds amazing. I can play some music and I can get close to the headphones with the camera so you guys can hear it. That's maximum volume and you can hear it from here, which is absolutely great. My favorite feature probably been how easy it is to use and how lightweight it is at 220 grams. This is super lightweight. You won't find any other headset in this category being so light, being so cheap and offering this many features. So yeah, basically that's it. If you guys want to buy the Razer Kraken Lite, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next one.